What's up guys? Amazing to have you here. It's so good to share another recipe with you.
Yes, we are creating the definition of an epic recipe.
Epic.
This is huge, it's indulgent, it's super satisfying.
It's bigger than my big head, that's what it is.
It's bigger than my big head.
Yeah.
It is a giant pumpkin spiced cinnamon roll.
Oh, yes. We have combined amazing things. We've combined bread dough to create a cinnamon swirl. Then we've put in there autumnal warm spices that are cinnamon, a bit of ginger, a bit of nutmeg as well. And also we're topping it off with a little bit of cream cheese icing. Oh. Next level icing, that is.
All vegan.
All
of
vegan,
course.
Yeah.
And also we're using the Flora Buttery just to give it that buttery taste.
It's delicious. So we should really get started now, I think.
Yes, let's watch.
So really easy now, we're just going to combine all our dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl. So we've got strong white bread flour with fast action yeast, some light brown sugar, cinnamon to give that dough a little taste, and a pinch of salt. And just give it a quick stir, make sure everything's combined together.
Right, now it's time for the wet ingredients. We've got some Flora Buttery. Get yourself a really good scoop. We want about 6 tablespoons worth. And then we're going to melt that down over a low heat. Combine that with some plant-based milk. We're going with an oat milk, but you can use any plant-based milk you want. Once that's all combined and melted down, we're going to take it off the heat and then we're going to combine it with those dry ingredients.
Right, it's time for the star of the show, pumpkin puree. Oh yes, you can make your own if you like, but we find that supermarket bought pumpkins don't have too much flavour, so we've gone for a tin of pumpkin puree here, which we can find in supermarkets here in the UK, and I think in the USA also it's very prevalent. And we're just going to bring the dough together with a spoon, and then we're going to knead for 5 minutes and get that gluten activated. Oh yeah, perfect. So now we're just going to pop that in a lightly greased mixing bowl. We're using the same one from earlier, and then we're going to pop a damp cloth over the top and leave it to proof for 1 hour, and here it is.
Wow,
beauty.
Look at that, that is doubled in size. So we're going to lightly punch that air out, and then we're going to roll it to about 50 centimetres by about 30 centimetres.
I love the rolling bit out.
Yeah, this is so therapeutic.
I was about to say therapeutic, stealing my words.
So use a pizza cutter just to trim those edges off, make it look nice and straight. Oh, look at that.
This is my favourite utensil. So next up, we're going to make our pumpkin spice mix, and this is going to be all the warm spices. So we're going with Flora Buttery, cinnamon, ginger, and some nutmeg. This is going to be beautiful, and light brown sugar. We're just going to stir this up. It's going to get quite soft, which is going to be great because we can then spread it across our dough. Here we go. So just evenly distribute the pumpkin spice mix across the dough, and then we're going to use the back of a spoon just to smooth it out all over the dough. This is absolutely gorgeous.
Oh,
it smells amazing as well.
I just want to eat it now. So get your pizza cutter and make 3 cuts so you're left with 4 evenly sized strips.
Oh, it's a bit shaky. This bit
look
scares
at
me.
that.
Oh, okay, they're straight. And now we're just gonna really gently roll each strip into a swirl. And as you finish rolling one strip, carry it over to the next strip and keep rolling so you have a massive swirl.
Pick it up and pop it into a cake tin. We're using one that's roughly 23 centimetres wide. And then we're going to cover it again with a damp tea towel and leave that to proof for a final proof for about half an hour.
And then we're going to bake it for around 45 minutes, and voila.
God,
look at that. Yes.
Right, we're at the final stage. We're going to be making the cream cheese frosting. Add some Flora Buttery and combine it with some icing sugar. And then we're going to go in with the vegan cream cheese. Add a splash of your favourite plant-based milk. This is such a wonderful twist. So we're going to get a fork, mash it together, get it nice and smooth, and then when you're ready, pour it all over your giant roll. Oh, look at that.
Oh my God, this is hero shots all over the shop.
This is like heaven
Love
food.
It smells incredible as well. Those spices are so warming.
Yeah. We use a bread knife just to make it easier to cut. Give yourself, I reckon, a generous slice. What are you saying?
I'm saying the whole thing.
Oh.
I'm not messing about here. Oh, that looks amazing inside as well. Look at that cross section.
Yes.
You can see where the pumpkin spice is as well. Perfection.
Yum, yum, yum.
Delicious. Oh, yes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We really hoped you enjoyed the recipe.
Yes.
And if you're going to a Halloween party and you make it, please let us know in the comments how it goes down, because I am sure without a doubt this is gonna bring you so much kudos.
Exactly. If you want your like friend credit to go up, bake on one of these.
You're gonna be like top friend number one.
So please subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you think of the recipe. And until then, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
And we will see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.